everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to add music to Instagram stories without copyright. So let's head over to our Instagram. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the story section and then just select any picture you want to add to your story. So let's say I'm gonna select this one and I'll tap on this music icon on the top right. From here, you can search for any sort of music you want according to any artist, genre, or your saved audio in your Instagram. You can also take original audio or trending audios and you can search from here too. So once you're done, you can just select any song, select the track you want, and then tap on done. And here you can select what type of the showing you want in here. Let's say I want this one. And then just as you can see, the music is set. And now you can just tap on your story and it won't show you any copyright. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.